How to use the digital assistant app to open up Bixby Voice, Google, or a web browser of your choice on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The digital assistant app is a shortcut on the corner on the left or on the right corner, allowing you to swipe in to open up the shortcut. They are fairly easy to use and allow you to quickly access one of the shortcuts from anywhere on the screen. So to do that, first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on choose default apps. After that, tap on digital assistant app, and here tap on digital assistant app. Tap on the top here, and from here you can choose none. If you select none, then all the shortcuts on the left and on the right is turned off. You can see if I swipe in on the corner, nothing will happen. So typically, to open or to request the digital assistant app shortcuts, you need to swipe in at the corner here inwards like that. So here, if I choose Bixby Voice, I can now swipe in to open up Bixby Voice. I can choose to open up Firefox. Now if I swipe in, this will open up Firefox. I can also choose to open up Google. So here, if I swipe in at the corner, it can be on the left or the right corner, and this will open up your digital assistant app. Here I can choose it to open up Opera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.